Bye, Zoe.
Bye,
Ready to go to school?
yeah.
All right, guys. So 2018 is here, and it's going to be a good year. 2017 was fantastic, and I just think 2018 is going to build upon that and be even better. So, I hope everybody had an awesome New Year's, and let's get a kick started. So, the first thing that I want to hit on is see if anybody actually wants to have a winter meetup. I know it's freezing out. I know our cars are not the cleanest, but it would still be a fun way to spend a Saturday early, afternoon, hanging out, BSing with, a couple of Mopar people, owners, and I'll bring some coffee and some hot chocolate, and to cut down on some of the wind chill and everything. Maybe I'll pick a like a 3-story parking garage, and we can kind of take up one of the levels or whatnot. The one that I have in mind is in Mineola, Long Island, and on the weekends that parking lot or the parking garage is pretty empty. So I don't know. You know what? Let me know what your thoughts are. If anybody out there is willing to meet up and hang out and, get some video footage and just hang out, let me know. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about is for 2018, I'm going to try and get some aerial, air shots of the Charger and some meets and stuff. I went ahead and purchased a drone, and my first priority was to get a drone that was super easy to use and not expensive, because I do not have any kind of experience with drones. And if I ruin this thing, if it goes into a pond, if it crashes and breaks, I don't want, $1,500 going up in flames. So this is going to be a learning experience for me with this drone. And if I'm good at it, I get good shots, I find it useful for the channel, I'll go out and get a 4K one. The drone that I got is 1280 by 720 pixels, and that should be good enough for YouTube purposes. What I was having trouble with picking out a drone is there doesn't seem to be a drone that captures sound. So a lot of the drone footage is going to have music or phony kind of audio that syncs up or matches. I don't know. I might record things on my phone along with the drone and pair up the sound or something like that. I don't know how exactly I'm going to work it yet, but a drone has now entered the picture, and I'm going to see what I can do with it, and we'll go from there. But 2018 is going to be awesome, guys. And yeah, it's just, let me know with the meet, because I think that could be a nice winter meet would be something cool. I'm throwing it out there. If nobody wants to do it, then I'll move on. If people want to meet up, great. I will be more than happy to bring the hot beverages to make it a little bit more pleasant. So, all right, guys, let me know, and cheers to 2018.